In this video, we will explore the flat 3 and flat 6 chords and how to use them in chord progressions. In a major key, there are 7 chords. In another of our videos, linked in the description, we showed you how to deal with the difficult 7 chord by creating a flat 7 chord. We can also take this same approach with 2 of the minor chords in a major key, 3 and 6. This gives us the flat 3 and flat 6 chords. The quick way to find these in your chosen major key is to take the relevant minor chord, drop its root note by half a step or a semitone, and use this to create a major chord. For example, in the key of C major, 3 is E minor, therefore flat 3 is E flat major. 6 is A minor, therefore flat 6 is A flat major. So now we know how to create these flat chords, but what is the point in them? Their main usage is to change the sound of a major key song. They can create a sense of the unexpected and add spice to a chord progression. They could also be described as dark, funky, or powerful. This muscle and drama means that they are often found in the blues, R&B, and hard rock songs. They allow a songwriter to use 6 major chords in the key. This lends itself well to distorted guitars, which can struggle with minor and open chords. They can be used in turnarounds and make powerful contributions to the intro or bridge, or contrast a verse with a chorus. The main point is that if you like the sound of these chords, then use them in your progressions. How should we use these chords in a progression? You can, of course, experiment with these flat chords in any way that sounds good to you. We have a chord progression playlist in the description below to help you with this. But if you want a few pointers to begin with, we'll look at them now. Please note that our examples will be in the key of C major. When using the flat 3 chord, consider moving to the 4 chord, for example, moving to the flat 6 chord, moving to the flat 7 chord. When using the flat 6 chord, consider moving to the 5 chord, moving to the 1 chord, and moving to the flat 7 chord. As with any chord, we have 2 inversions available to us when using our flat degree chords. If you need help with chord inversions, there are videos linked in the description below. These inversions can be used as substitutions in your progressions, maybe generating some interest in a later repeat of a song section. For the flat 3 chord, the first inversion has the same bass note or root note as the 5 chord, and the second inversion has the same bass note as the flat 7 chord. For the flat 6 chord, the first inversion has the same bass note as the 1 chord, and the second inversion has the same bass note as the flat 3 chord. For example, a progression of 1, 1, 5, 4 could become first inversion flat 6, 1, first inversion flat 3, 4. Notes of caution. When using the flat 3 and flat 6 chords to reharmonize or change later repeats, be careful with your melody notes. These 2 chords only have 1 note each from the major scale. The melody notes you have used earlier in the song may sound very discordant and out of place when these lower degree chords play underneath. However, this could also be just what you're looking for. As with all songwriting, experiment and trust your ear as to what sounds good and what sounds bad. If you would like to learn more about chord progressions, then the playlist on screen now will be your guide.